Hey, what's up, Anchor holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Anchor coin. My friends, can Anchor coin hit a $1 or not? As you know, it is the end of month, and a lot of people ask me this question that when will the Anchor price rise up, and can they hit a $1 or not? Is it possible for Anchor or not? So finally, we discuss on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of research, that what's going on in Anchor and the next month. So let's start the video. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, the latest price of the Anchor at this time in the market, you can see here 0.10203 at USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Ankr coin. On the other side, if we look at price change okay in the Ankr coin, so absolutely, my friends, the last 1 hour price is positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 week price is positive, and last 1 week price is negative. Only the last 1 week price is negative. Except of this, the whole change okay in the Ankr coin is going good, my friends. Let's see the price chart. What's going on this time in an Ankr? Oh my goodness. You can see here now, as I show in the start of this video, that the last 1 day pricing is positive. So that means that the Ankr coin start jumping from the yesterday, and now that is the last 1 month price chart of the Ankr coin. So absolutely, my friends, the previous whole month the price of Ankr is fast down, completely fast down occurs in the Ankr coin, my friends, in the last 1 month. So now the question is that my friends, if we look the cryptocurrency rules market, so after the fast there was a jump, and now the Ankr coin is continuously fast down occurs in the Ankr coin from the previous last 1 month. So now absolutely they will take a jump at this time, my friends. That is my personal prediction, that is my personal opinion about Ankr coin, that they can easily hit a $1 in the next month, because after a fast there is a jump, and I believe that they can easily hit a $1 and the start of June. In the start of June they will take a huge pump. So that is why I'm telling you that they can hit a $1. What do you think, and what is your prediction about Anchor? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. If you stick channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.